Hey, it's Dr. Eric. I want to tell you about a new exciting part of our practice called Axiom Integrative Health. I've been trying to figure out a way to get people more of the care that they need without having to send them to a million different places and doctors. So we're finally figuring that out. And one of the first things that we're going to be doing is something that has really helped me a ton. So regenerative medicine. So if you're dealing with joint pain, so listen to me right now, if you're having hip pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain, knee pain, any of those things, then there's alternatives to joint replacement. There's an alternative to drugs. And I want to tell you a little bit about my story, and then I'll tell you what we're going to be doing. So this was me in 2014. This is, I went over the handlebars and broke my arm. That's me in the hospital. I'm actually laying like this, but my arm is pointed this way. And I ended up having surgery, and the doctor, did a good job of putting it back together, but then he told me I was going to have really bad arthritis. And I thought he meant when I was 70, but he meant 6 months later, I started to develop really bad arthritis in this elbow, and some of you know this story. So there's no joint replacement. I don't want to have a joint replacement. I don't want surgery. I already had a big surgery. So I started figuring out ways to be able to overcome the arthritic pain that I was having, and I'm doing great, as a lot of you have seen. So that was through regenerative medicine, so things like PRP and stem cells and those things. And what's really exciting about that is you can have the joint actually repair itself. So if you're having joint pain, I'm going to be doing a seminar on this coming up here soon, and the link is below. So if you want to click and register for that seminar, we'll be doing it here in the office. So I'm going to walk you through what I did to get well. I'm going to walk you through what I still do to get well, and how there are definitely alternatives. Because if you think about what pain is and what it does, the reason we have pain is it's your body's way of telling you something. So if I just, start taking a bunch of Advil, or God forbid, I start taking opioids, we have, 80% of the opioids are consumed in the United States. It's a huge crisis because of what? Joint pain. So many people are on these drugs because of joint pain. So I start taking painkillers or Advil that destroys my liver and kidneys, or if I start taking Tylenol that destroys my gut and causes me to bleed internally. That's a really bad option. So there are much better options. And that's what I'm going to be talking about at the seminar. So I'm going to be telling you about the things that I've done. So how you can actually get your body healing from the inside out. You can get your body doing what it was designed to do from the inside out. You can rebuild cartilage. You can reduce inflammation. You can have these things called exozymes that can help rebuild even soft tissue. And again, I'm a believer in it because I've done it myself, and we're going to be able to offer this at the office. So if you're ready to find out more about that and some natural things that you can do, then make sure you click on the link below, get register for that seminar that's coming up here. It's about an hour long. I'll be there to answer questions for you and show you if this might be a great option for you to finally get over the pain and live the life that you deserve. Because for me, I'm back playing golf again. Like, he told me I would never be able to do that. Doctor said I'd never be able to do that. I'm in here adjusting full-time in the office. He said I would never be able to do that. So if it can work for me, it can work for you. So I look forward to seeing you at that seminar soon. Go ahead and click on that link and bring a friend who needs to know the truth as well.